Hello, this is Crystal Clear, and right now we are at the Skyliner recording studio, right? What we do at Skyliner recording studio, and it's also a company, right? Based upon radio station, TV station, recording studio, and we are so consistent in what we do. Let me give you a little look at the studio, right? This is the studio. Right, this is the recording studio, and we are so consistent on what we do here. We do recordings, right? You know our studio run already. We rent the studio. If you have your own engineer, you want to mix a song, we rent the studio. We also have our own engineer at the studio right here, right? And we are so consistent on what we do. This is the voice room. Most people have some little small room and voice outside, but this is a professional voicing room, right? The Skyliner studio, right? And basically, you know this bag already. For instance, this bag, you know this bag. This is a drone bag, and we have one of the drone out there flying now and location somewhere right now, right? We also do this. Take music from record and put to CD. So we are telling you, we are so consistent on what we do, right? Okay, that's the machine that everybody wants. Okay, we have this is the studio area, and we always have a camera outside as if anything, we are on the road, consistent in what we do, right? We have more camera, but basically we're just showing what we do, right? We do PR work, right? This is the office where you come for your PR work or rental or what, right? Okay. We're telling you, this is the sound system. This is Skyliner sound system, and if you notice, yeah, everything that what we have carry a Skyliner logo. You understand? This is our logo, Skyliner Professional. This is monitor sound, which you know that we rent. Right? So we're gonna show you, you know, outside. You're like, this is one of our bus. Just one of our bus. Yeah. This is one of our bus. This is a Skyliner bus. And this is just one of the management vehicle. Right? Yeah. Take a look at the bus. Skyliner TV and radio. See? For booking. This is the number. When you see this one on the road, man, at the thing, right? And we have a next one coming, we're going to decorate it all over.
The drone is something beautiful.
And this is like the hangout area. This is like a hangout area. You know, when an artist follow our next art, say smoke area. Bus. Good bus, this one now broke down. Yeah? I'm telling you, this is the good one now broke down. Skyliner bus.